Let's have a look at how to apply your ostomy appliance to keep a tight seal. Remove the protection film from the adhesive by placing a thumb on the white tab on the adhesive and pull the blue release tab away from the adhesive. After having removed the protecting film, you should even out the edges of the hole by running a finger around the edge. This is to prevent any unevenness of the edge. Remember to close the outlet of the bag before applying it. When applying the bag to the skin around the stoma, it must make full contact with the skin. Before applying the adhesive to the skin, form the edge of the hole in the adhesive to a spout shape to face the skin. Apply the bag starting from the lower part of the ostomy. Begin closest to the stoma by pressing the adhesive to the skin. Run a finger all the way around the stoma to ensure that the adhesive seals. Smooth the adhesive down from the stoma out to the edge to ensure that the adhesive has body temperature and has full contact with the skin. Ensure that the appliance is securely attached by a gentle downwards tug on the bag.